Foundations in the Successful Management of Products answers these questions and more. Who is a product success manager, and what do they do, and why are they essential to product success? What are the new skill sets and mindsets that this role will need? How can an individual work towards building these skill sets, and much more? Foundations does with hands-on training built on several real-life scenarios and actionable tips, quizzes, examples, exercises presented with videos, books, and workbooks. A product manager has the primary responsibility for the success of the product or service. A product marketing manager has the primary responsibility for the marketing of the product, including the product launch. Product manager and product marketing managers have been the traditional names for the profession since Procter & Gamble invented the brand manager, and HP in Silicon Valley, starting with Hewlett-Packard, adopted the innovation of product managers and product marketing managers in the 1930s. An organization may not have people with these exact titles, but if they want successful products, their people have to excel in the 130 competencies required for product success. But I prefer to call them product success managers, since that more aptly describes what they do. They are the point person that lead the people in any organization. They are the ones principally responsible for the success of the organization's products and/or services. The product manager pulls together, manages, and coordinates the understanding of what the customer wants to do with the product's design, development, marketing, sales, and support. The product manager is primarily responsible for pulling together the product market strategy, consisting of defining what the product needs to do for the customer, competitive analysis, positioning, target markets, product roadmaps, pricing strategy, and more. The product success manager is a leader and is one that can get along well with others. They are articulate, they are persuasive, they can negotiate, and when necessary, mediate disputes to successful resolution. Today's product management started with Procter & Gamble in 1932 as brand management, and spread to Hewlett-Packard in 1938, and then throughout Silicon Valley over the years, including Apple, and worldwide. In the same way that all presidents of Procter & Gamble since the 1930s have come out of brand management, many senior managers and founders of startups worldwide have been successful product managers, because a product success manager must have about 90% of the competencies required for company success. The product manager follows the organization's product lifecycle framework and uses a mature, repeatable process for increasing the success of the product. A product manager can have many different titles, including business analyst in IT services, for example, producer for a media operation, or program director for an aerospace activity, but they do many of the same things. Foundations in the Successful Management of Products teach what the product manager and the product marketing manager must do and how to do it. As opposed to other training and skills development courses, the Foundations in the Successful Management of Products teaches what needs to be done and how to do it with hands-on exercises and real-life scenarios and actionable tips.